From homes and hotels to shops and offices, as well as factories, schools, hospitals and other types of buildings, we use a lot of energy for heating and cooling. According to the European Commission, buildings are responsible for 40% of our total energy consumption and 36% of Europe's greenhouse gas emissions. In order to protect our climate, we urgently need to find ways of heating and cooling our buildings that don't involve the burning of fossil fuels. Geothermal solutions, which use either heat or cool water from underground, represent a clean and sustainable way to regulate indoor temperatures without adding to air pollution or emissions of greenhouse gases. When geothermal energy solutions are integrated into district heating and cooling networks, they can enable the provision of clean, reliable and affordable heating and cooling for all of the buildings in a whole neighborhood or town. But despite its enormous potential, less than 5% of all the buildings in Europe are currently using geothermal energy.
A number of challenges are holding back the increased uptake of geothermal solutions. Lack of awareness, regulatory obstacles, financial uncertainty, and inadequate infrastructure. While these obstacles are significant, they can be overcome with the right policies and financial tools, together with close cooperation among stakeholders.
For policymakers, geothermal represents a long-term solution with stable costs that reduces emissions, enhances energy independence and strengthens local economies. For investors, it offers low operational costs and strong returns as the demand for clean heating and cooling solutions continues to grow. For communities, geothermal solutions provide reliable heating and cooling with lower energy bills and a cleaner environment.
In the past, most geothermal energy projects were financed, owned and managed either in the public sector or through public-private partnerships. In recent years, the evolving energy market and new EU legislation have created opportunities to develop innovative business models, which are reshaping the geothermal sector. Self-consumption models with building owners and businesses using geothermal solutions to meet their own energy needs, benefiting from reduced operating costs. Decoupling models making use of specialization, with different companies in charge of specific segments of the energy supply chain, distribution infrastructure or customer service. Energy communities pooling resources and investing in geothermal projects to share the energy produced and reinvest any profit into local initiatives.
Geothermal isn't just an energy source, it's a climate, economic, and security strategy. The energy transition is already underway, but to scale up geothermal, we need bold action today. Policymakers must provide supportive frameworks that accelerate geothermal deployment. Investors must seize opportunities to support scalable, profitable, and climate-resilient projects. Local leaders and industry experts must integrate geothermal into district heating and cooling networks. The solutions are ready, the technology is proven, now is the time to act.
Geothermal is everywhere, let's make it a pillar of Europe's clean energy future.